So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. You want to find sysmain. We're going to scroll down till we find sysmain. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on disabled and then click on stop, which will now make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. This list will show us all the applications that start automatically when a computer turns on. In my case, Copilot and Xbox both start automatically once my computer turns on, and I don't want it to do that, so I'm going to turn them both off. You want to turn off every application in this list that you do not want to start automatically once your computer turns on. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, down below in the description, you just want to copy this path. The one that starts with computer and it ends with memory management. Just copy this, right click, copy. Come back to Reg Edit, and then delete this where it says computer, and then paste that path. So just right click, paste, and then click on enter, which will now bring us to here. And now once we're here, you want to find clear page forward shutdown. Double click on it. Now in this box, you want to type in the number 1. So make sure that on the value data, you have the number 1, and then click on OK. Next, we're going to go to the other path. It's going to be down below in the description. Just highlight this, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come back to here, delete all of this, and then do Ctrl+V to paste it, and then click on enter, which will now take us to here. You want to find start, double click on it. Now in this box, you want to make the number 4. Make sure that you have start value data 4, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.